So I just got up from a nap and I heard Bowie screaming and I yelled, "Stop screaming," and he stopped screaming. He heard my phone go off in the other room down the hall. "Well, at least you're not screaming. What are you doing?" "Hi." "Good boy. Did you want to come out?" Okay, there goes Boo Boo. He flew away. He flew away. And this is Smokey's hospital bed. It's a 10-gallon fish tank, the one that Boo Boo was staying in when he had the... What did he have? The plucking problem. And B stayed in here too because Bowie bit his foot that time. I just put Kool-Aid back in here from their little nap, so that's why they're all excited. Go say hi to Boo Boo. Go say hi to Boo Boo. Say hi, Boo Boo. Hi. Oh, that's good. Good boy, Bowie. Hey, Boo Boo. Did you say something? Yeah?